Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video, guys, I'll be tackling the 7th question from the mid-year examination, which was written in the province of Gauteng in the year of 2024. Please do expect a total number of 10 videos, since this mathematics paper 2 examination had 10 questions in total. So that means each and every question will have its own video. And please, guys, do take these seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your mid-year exam, your preliminary exam, and most importantly, your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please, guys, do help us grow the channel by subscribing. Okay, in the diagram below, TQR represents 3 points on a horizontal plane on a spot field. PQ represents a vertical flag, okay? And then the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from R is theta. And then you're also told that angle T is also equal to theta. And then TQ and TR are both equal to Y. XR is just equal to X units. And TQR is equal to A. First question, they want us to express theta in terms of A and show that sine 2 theta is equal to sine 2A. Firstly, let's focus on this triangle over here. This triangle over here. Né? We have an isosceles triangle. If this angle is A, that means that entire angle over there is also alpha. Are you together? But what do I know? I know that theta plus alpha should give me 180. These are some of angles of a triangle, right? That means theta is basically 180 degrees minus 2 alpha. Are you together? Yeah. What's going on now? Excuse me about that, guys. Né? Theta is just 180 degrees minus 2 alpha. But then I can now introduce trig ratios. I can simply say sine theta is equal to sine of 180 minus 2 alpha. That means sine theta will be equal to 180 minus is in the second quadrant, sine is positive. So this is basically sine 2 alpha. So sine theta is just equal to sine 2 alpha. Okay, now they want us to show that PR is equal to that. Né? For us to show PR, we must find the length of QR first. How can we find QR? We can find QR by simply using the sine rule. We can use the sine rule, or we can use the sine rule. I know that QR all over the sine of angle T is basically equal to, I'll take any side, let's take side TR being equal to the sine of angle TQR. Are you together? We don't know QR, but sine of angle T, we can say this is sine theta if you want to. But I know that sine theta is equal to sine 2A. So this will just be equal to sine 2A, right? And then TR is just equal to Y. And then the sine of alpha. Therefore, QR, multiply both sides by sine 2 alpha. You'll end up having Y multiplied by sine 2 alpha all over sine alpha. That means QR is basically equal to 2 sine alpha cos alpha. This thing is still multiplied by Y all over sine alpha. I can see that the sine alphas will cancel. Therefore, the length of QR will just be 2Y cos of alpha. Number 1. So this length over here, X, is basically equal to x is basically equal to 2y cos of alpha. That angle over there, ne? But for us to find the PR, we must focus on this triangle. We must focus on this right angle triangle which is given to us. Are you together? I know that angle theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. The cos of angle theta, the cos of angle theta is basically, let me erase this. This is from number 1. After writing this, I need to continue there. Ne? Cos of angle theta is just PQ. Or they don't want me to find PQ. They want me to find PR. Okay. Yeah, man. Cos of angle theta is opposite, is adjacent rather, QR all over the hypotenuse, which is just PR. Ne? Then I can cross multiply. PR is equal to length of QR all over the cos of angle theta. But I do know the length of QR. QR is equal to this. So PR is equal to 2y, the cos of theta, cos of alpha, man. 2y cos of alpha divided by cos theta. That's how, guys, we're supposed to prove that statement over there. And then secondly, we are told that angle alpha is 49 degrees, x is 20, y is 15. They want us to find the area. Since they want us to find the area, they are telling us that this guy over there, this guy is 49 degrees, x is 20, y is equal to 15. For me to find area, guys, it will be quite simple. I'll simply use my area rule. Né? It simply says the area of triangle TQR is just half QR multiplied by QT multiplied by the sine of the angle between those lines. That's alpha. That's 1 over 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 15 and the sine of 49 degrees. So this will simply give me my area. Let me punch my precious calculator. I simply have 1 over 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by the sine of 49 degrees. So this will basically give me an area of 75.47 units squared. That's how, guys, we're supposed to deal with this question over there. I really hope the video helped you out, so please do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.